I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with the essentials. Make sure the TV is on and the remote works. This avoids wasted steps. Press Home or Menu to open settings, then navigate to Picture. Once in Picture, choose a preset like Standard or Cinema to set a baseline. This helps you see real changes. Make sure any picture-enhancing features are off for accurate adjustments. Now, locate Brightness in the Picture submenu so you're ready to tweak the level precisely. Now you'll fine-tune brightness and balance. Select brightness and nudge it in small steps. You want detail in shadows without crushing blacks. Once done, switch between a dark scene and a bright scene to verify. This shows whether highlights or shadow detail is lost. If the image looks uniformly dim or too washed out, make small backlight adjustments instead, because backlight affects overall luminance while brightness shifts black level. Keep changes subtle and recheck scenes after each tweak. Finish by saving your picture settings and watching normal content for several minutes to confirm comfort and detail retention. If skin tones or contrast look wrong, reset to the picture preset and start adjustments again. This reverts unintended tweaks. If adjustments don't take effect, power cycle the TV. Turn it off, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in and reopen the menu. If problems persist, check for a firmware update or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.